Designers who don't run their business primarily online will miss the vast majority of clients. The world has already moved its meeting rooms, hiring, and classrooms into the digital space. If you want steady, high-quality work and real growth, your presence must be more than a portfolio link. You need to become a destination, a place where ideal clients can find you, learn from you, and naturally decide to hire you. Traditional prospecting is losing power. A smarter online system is required. A static site or quiet profile won't cut through the noise. Shift from hunter to host. Create spaces where dozens of the right people come to you, ready to listen. That's how you unlock predictable growth and end feast or famine. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. This isn't about more design tips. It's about building a business that supports your creativity. Cold outreach is the default when calendars look empty. Emails, DMs, even cold calls, hoping one will stick. The numbers game becomes a slow, demoralizing grind. A few polite no's, maybe a lukewarm reply, rarely paid work. No trust, no context. You're an interruption, not a solution. People are wary, busy, and start you at zero authority. It doesn't scale your time or your reputation. Each message is a single arrow into the dark. No one sees your effort. Your brand doesn't grow. It positions you as a commodity, not the expert consultant you are. Imagine this. Instead of chasing, your ideal clients gather to learn from you. A virtual event, workshop, webinar, Q&A, or masterclass puts you in the educator seat. They sign up voluntarily, arrive invested, and give you focused attention. You prove expertise in real time, not just claim it. They experience your personality, clarity, and problem-solving approach. 1 hour reaches 50, 100, or more at once. Record it, and you've built a lasting asset: lead magnet, clips, and follow-up content. You shift from salesperson to authority, attracting higher caliber clients. Sales conversations flip from "why you" to "how do we start?" Smoother, faster, more enjoyable. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your insights help shape future videos for this community. Step 1. Choose a hyper-specific, high-value topic. Don't teach everything. Pinpoint one painful problem your ideal client urgently needs solved. For example, 3 focused design tweaks that reliably boost conversions. Step 2. Plan your content and format. Aim for 45-60 minutes. Simple, focused, and value-dense. Open strong. Teach 3 actionable steps with real examples, then summarize. Use visuals and case studies to make the learning concrete. Close with a 10 to 15-minute Q&A, often the highest value segment. Step 3. Promote 2 weeks ahead with a simple registration page or landing page. Post where your audience actually is: LinkedIn groups, relevant communities, stories, and your email list. You don't need thousands, just the right few. Step 4. Keep tech simple. Prioritize a good microphone, clear audio beats perfect video. Prep slides, do a quick run-through, log in early, breathe, and talk like you would to a colleague. Within 24 hours, send a thank you to everyone who registered with the replay link. Lead with generosity and value, even for those who missed it. Then guide a small, logical next action, what marketers call a tripwire. Examples: a paid strategy call, a low-fee website audit, or a ready-made design template. Keep it low pressure and crystal clear. Over the next 1 to 2 weeks, run a short, value-first email sequence. No spam. Send a checklist that captures the key takeaways. Follow with a case study showing the same problem and the results you achieved. Each email reminds them, you can help implement faster. This respects their pace, keeps you top of mind, and filters for motivated buyers. Your engine keeps working, generating warm leads and steady clients long after the live event. This year, the designers who thrive will attract clients online, not chase them. Cold outreach is inefficient, confidence-draining, and weak for brand building. Virtual events build trust at scale and elevate you as an authority. Plan a focused event around a real client problem, deliver immense value, and follow up with a simple system. Open your calendar now and pick a date 3 weeks from today. That's your first virtual event. Choose the one question your ideal client asks most often. That's your topic. Stop chasing leads. Start hosting spaces where they come to you. Share in the comments the topic you've chosen for your first event. Your future clients are ready to learn. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit thedesignlemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.